Jake, you want corn dog nuggies?
I want my nuggies.
Nuggies. Some nuggies.
I want Starbucks.
What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach
And Lauren.
and today us and the fam, we're in Magic Kingdom, and I'm so excited because tonight we get to see Enchantment for the first time, and I'm so happy for it. We saw Harmonious last night and it was pretty cool, but I'm just really excited for Enchantment. All the projections, fireworks.
We've heard it.
We hear every night at work, see the fireworks all the time, but not the full show, yeah. So that's exciting. What are you excited for today?
All of it.
Ah, look what we have here. Hey, Lauren.
I had no idea these were gonna be here today.
Wait, I'm gonna knock you over. Give me that thing right there. Give it to me.
Oh my gosh.
Jake, what are you most excited for today?
Probably Starbucks. I just got my tumbler. They were about like, what was it, $99 plus shipping and handling. And I think it was worth it. 5 out of 5 rats.
The fan's already out.
You know what they say?
Rock the boat! Rock the boat! Was worth the hour-long wait?
You know, on a day like today, sure. Because there's nothing else to do but wait in line and eat food. So I'm more excited about the food part.
Go run through the water!
Space Mountain showing 45 minutes. We'll update you on how long it actually is, because Mine Train was definitely not as long as it said it was. I'm sorry we didn't update you on the ride, but we got out of the ride and it was 45 minutes. So the wait was probably like 35 minutes-ish. Not bad, but now it's very long. And I'm hungry. Jake, you want corn dog nuggies?
I want my nuggies.
Nuggies. Some nuggies.
I want Starbucks.
Posted wait time, 25 minutes. Actual wait time,
5 minutes.
25 seconds.
Aw, look at me in the castle. Wow.
Hey, look, they're actually working on it. 2022, baby. Hopefully. Guess who's back? Oh, baby! And everyone's got them today. And Lauren's got another Starbucks with her reusable straw that doesn't even fit the... It doesn't even go down the whole cup.
It's so cute. Review of the Casey's corn dog nuggies.
Out of 5 Remy's?
I'll be a 5.
5 out of 5 Remy's? Oh my goodness. Hello?
My favorite.
Hello? Wow, so cute.
I think you should get it.
Hello, Governor.
Oh. You?
You know it.
How you doing, Stitch?
New York.
Oh, New York! That is a desert south of Vegas, north of Guadalajara, and home to the Eiffel Tower. It's a love connection between me and Steve. In fact, I know the new theme song in New York, and I'm gonna sing it for you now, Hottie McHot. Oh, and true love I did never believe. Ba la 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 la. Till I met my new boyfriend, it's Steve. Ba la 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 la. He will bring me pretty flowers. Ba la 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 la. And we'll meet together under New York's Eiffel Tower. Ba la 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 la.
Guys, we found it. This is one we haven't seen yet. Aw, this one's so cute. It's super hidden though, but that one's cool. Hello team, it's 3:30. We're waiting in Splash Mountain. It says 75 minutes. Please pray that it somehow becomes 20 minutes because it's hot. Hot and sweaty and soggy out here. Also, we waited 45 minutes because the cast member let us through the Fast Pass line.
Just for fun.
Just for fun.
Just for fun.
So, shout out you, Megan. Oh my! Bruh! Hit it!
Look yonder, there goes the rabbit.
Wait, how do you do that?
It's a red fox in the rare bear.
What?
Oh, they fixed it something.
Couldn't open my eyes. I was just like, it all went into my eyes.
I even put on my glasses to protect my eyes, and it went underneath my glasses.
Wait, how does my hair look?
Oh no. We found the camera. Hi, camera. Wow, we're so cute. Lauren. Next up is the wildest ride in the wilderness. And I think we got in line probably like 5 minutes ago, 4:40. Says it's 35. We know Thunder moves pretty quick, so hopefully it's not that much because I'm hungry. Huh? I want some.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
Big Thunder was probably about a 25-minute wait, not very long. And now we're going to Pecos Bill, I think. They got some 50th foods, so we're gonna go try some of that.
Hey, Zack.
Yeah. What?
We should go take pictures in front of the castle because the lighting is good.
Yeah, the restroom's to the right over there.
We have the new mango vanilla swirl Dole Whip. Lauren got the, what is it, Big Al?
Big Al.
The Big Al cheeseburger.
Double-decker cheeseburger. Bacon cheeseburger.
How was it?
So good. I'd get it again. Like an 8 out of 10. It's like cold. If it was warm, it'd probably be like the best burger in Magic Kingdom.
Wow.
I'm literally the third wheel to Zack and Jake when they're together. I keep trying to walk in between them, but I'm just left behind all by myself.
Man said, let me in. Let me in. Lauren, if you get Galactic Hero, I'll buy you Joffrey's. Not bad. Bye, cutie.
So Zach, Jake, and my mom all went to the laugh floor, and we got our spot in line for Enchantment, and so we could watch the Beacon of Magic, which is gonna happen in like 30 seconds.
Tonight, as we gather together under the spires of this majestic castle, our dreams ignite the magic to create a beacon shining out and celebrating 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
Jake cried too.
Just kidding. I like got a tear in my eye, but it never fell. But it was only when you were the magic.
You are the magic. You are the magic.
Actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this.
Dang it.
Okay, we're gonna do a quick little thoughts and review of Enchantment. I'll start because, yeah.
What'd you think?
I liked Enchantment. I didn't love it. Like, I love Happily Ever After. But I can't compare the two. They're both totally different. I will say they did focus a lot on like projections, I think, because they're so good. Like, they have lasers. Agreed. The projections are like crystal clear. Like, every line is so crisp clear. It's amazing. The projections, spot on, so good. But when you stand in the middle of Main Street, you get to see all the Main Street projections, but there's so much going on like on the castle and down Main Street that it kind of gets a little overwhelming a little bit. So next time I would definitely stand closer to the castle because those projections are the ones you are going to want to see more of.
It's cool to see the projections, and I think the ones on the castle specifically are way cool. And she was right, it is overwhelming with everything going on, fireworks, castle projections, Main Street projections. But I actually really liked it. I think I liked it more than Lauren did, honestly. Just seeing it with the fireworks was so cool. Not better than Happy Ever After, that's for sure. But
yeah,
strong effort. Castle projections, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Music.
It was
You Are the Magic, that's a dope song. That one's fire.
Yeah, opening and closing is always good. Little speeches they give, always good. Always gives me like the chills. Brings a little tear to my eye. Tear never fell, but it was just kind of like, you know.
Lauren, what was your rating of Enchantment?
I rate it like 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. I'd give it 8 out of 10. 7. 7 or 8. I'm indecisive.
I thought you liked it better than me.
7.5. 7.25. Anyways, whatever. That's it for the video today. We're tired. We got studios in the morning. Another...
That scared me.
Okay, but that's it for the vlog, because studios in the morning, another rope drop day, and we're freaking tired, so...
I have not done a long park day in so long.
We are beat right now, as we almost get run over. Also, real quick, shout out Anna. Thanks for talking to us. It was nice to meet you. Come to the DCP, work for Disney, do something like that. But like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.